Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Flux coin. The price line of Flux is moving in a down channel for almost a month. You can see that here the price line found a resistance on 15th of November, and here we have the support for this down channel. And you can see that since after 15th of November, the price line is moving in this down channel. And even after the several attempts, the price line is not able to break out the resistance. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line is going to break out the resistance or it will break down the support of this channel. But before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and we can see that the price line is not able to break down this support and even not able to break out the resistance of this channel. And previously we had a very nice rally here, but if we take a look at the RSI with the combination of this channel, then we can easily observe that the price line and RSI were not synchronized at that time. Here, after this rally, the price line formed this high and RSI formed this high, and the price line formed another higher than previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI, then it formed lower high than previous high. So there was a bearish divergence. Therefore, the rally was stopped there and the price line dropped down and it started its movement in this down channel. Here we had a very powerful attempt by the price line to break it out, the resistance of this channel. But if we again take a look at the RSI, then here the price line was forming higher than previous high. But again, RSI was not able to form higher than previous high, and there was a slight bearish divergence on the RSI. Therefore, the price line followed this signal of the bearish divergence and dropped down again. And right now, the price line is again trying to break out the resistance. You can see that it is recently on the 4-hourly time frame chart. It can be seen rejected by this resistance, and it is now moving down. So it is very important that while the price line will be moving up, and for example, if the price line is forming higher than previous high, then RSI should also be synchronized with the price line, and it should be forming higher than previous high. At least if it is not showing the bullish divergence, then it should be at least synchronized with the price line, and there should not be any bearish divergence while the price line is breaking out the resistance of this channel. And this was the reason that even after several attempts, the price line is not able to break out the resistance. And this time, the oscillator is quite synchronized with the movement of the price line, because the price line is forming lower high. The RSI is also forming lower high. So if the price line moves up, I'm expecting that this time the oscillator can also follow the move of the price line, and it can also form another higher than previous high. Then the price line can break out this resistance of the channel. Now, after break out the resistance of the channel, what can we expect? The target that will be the imminent move will be here, approximately that the price line has already achieved here during this spike, which is approximately $2.82. However, you can see that while the price line will be breaking out the resistance of this down channel, it will be also breaking out the final resistance, even the price level resistance in the history of Flux token. Then it can start a very long-term bullish rally that will be not up to $2.82. I'm expecting a very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.